Zabuna Kona, Faith, Melody. Marucha. Haya. Ogotoro kuna tete muigwe kwasa agoteba ebitina wakire bwirire Kenya simogotoka bono muri bitina byatonyarire minte bitina byatonyarire byagerire twamentire obutaka obotaka bwaichoire bwa tunyarire gusi rero ntete ko bachakiri story y'abantu ababanyana siasa tuchega iga America tuchake no nyene iga America ekere egento kiabere mu murumu abo Trump igo bakulika nga Trump brother dies Uhuru uncle something kwarare nani something Chris Obures brother this Matiangi so and so malita imugete binanko nyatura nyarebe abantu aba bagwaturumba bwat abana bamwabo basirire usegento kiabeire kiabana babo elieta liabo elieta baroseti it takes over kwarare some of these people have worked so hard to make their name. They've worked extra. Abana ba mino chikazi nchiao musa kunyira lirikale abana bali bachete chi national schools. They didn't just go to national schools. Eba akole tomuki bakagenda chi national school. Na kiyeko garababwate amalietaya. Abana siasa aba musa kuliria abana siasa baitokuru Kenya eba agochaga iga ba mobilize abantu ga iga America bametenga chibese nchira na ndemba metenga ninu mubwate power ninu mugutuma chibese ku Kenya baba mobilize because you are strategic bataite korosia malieta abo bagende ku run for office kwa yunga nyalebe kwanya kweburiaye okunya kuyunga nyalebe indika awucha kwerosio benyalebe indika awucha kurwe bitina ime obenyalebe na bogo kwayo taliko banyalebe ebitina byuko tebere tutaliko koro kunyalebe okonyora abana bayibuire enyombe yema abana batatu abana bane muntu ndabwata abana 10 kwanyora nga ekeni etabitubwata bausi kwanyora umwana oyo munero gwiko ikamere ire nkiye kogera umwana oyo tabwatinza agokorera bitina muntu okoliki success tabwatinza agochikobeko bongo bwayanya kugamba abantu iska abana babamino bakunya gusabirira abayiri abakunya gusabirira kibese ubakunya kugamba bawo gusaba kibese ayukugamba tubwatinza ocha kugambira abana babandi ya habati amacho wikansibi na asibire nelituna nkolindo abantu ababali so and so abantu ababali rich abantu abali politicians abantu ababa create success mbabwatinza bakonya kugamba ebimonte byamwabe bisinini because ibinte byamwabe bisinini nokonya gutangasa iska my sister galiga my brother galiga nyarebe galiga barabumba bwatinza basisi opportunity baligi opportunity kire Facebook baligi opportunity bagende meremo bachake ebyasara egasi abo batebirete nebitina kugamba olio mekiri kugamba olio ebinto bya smile olio okolire emeremo umuntu mino kole emeremo ere yetali ayo nabono mumanyete mwamanyire mwamanyire ngoyo mpeni no ali ku New Jersey nje bono nkonya amachi nkonya konyuga iganza chinde no mana mpaka nagira mura natyo kachiri deodorant chiangerera mumanyete ngachi opportunity nchirega iga Facebook ora tibehe umukate ngapeni ngonya kugaga iga Facebook ngatimbu atikende ngokora nje no muntu ndi aspiring life coach nje no muntu re aspiring mentor nte de commenter abantu iska you know what they need to empower the boy child. If the boy child I have you in mind. Ama sasa na mundu ani boyire. A boy child totabege tu musacha tenene tuasirira bagusi. Totabege tu musacha tenene tuasirira ga black Americans. The boy child has to be empowered. Ningwa tekirenga ki abana bamura mbabwatu no ene voice bagukwanira. Nandi byombe bibyacha ugwete kwasa teba ebyombe no bile iska abantu squeeze abasubati babwata ine byombe bile chinguru sana bakubwatira nabachangira umusubati bwango bamunganye umusacha bano kwa bali surugenyi bakubwata bwango bakomenye kikotini ama sasa ali mwanyolira abana onye ntuli ku empire the boy child onye boy child nature tabendete kunya gutoma. The future is dark. Our children are going to end up in jail. Our children are going to grow up without fathers because bono into abana nebitina byuka toteberere twasoire byombe tosoite byombe toko changira na bwango twabiko musacha isko chi handa utinki chirago konye anye tubwati chibesi chia unga kichibesi chibyombe kiraho konye inga kyo umuntu bw'ikyombe nachacha kero mwana wachire chera kalingo gocha gochangira ubona ndiyo gocha kurubo taka imebo boliryo bobo kunya gochangira ogende uchikoli kichibesi murabona abantu bali ibyombe biri bakutubete igoro chege suntimi ayenki bwanjite gokora koletere chibesi ebitino tebererete my sister kagenda ngumbu na ato tikete kaiga to chandegete my brother kaenda ngumbu na andi Facebook yimna yacha bano muruchi tukonya go smile mom my sister kaenda ngumbu gakonya go ita chi vacation my sister kaenda ngumbu gakogolera bana kigali mna nagolero muiseke one gali tumanye tinga na save di myaka 19 ncha kogolero mwana egali Mani kigali yakogolera ebimwana ebisini to chandegete kaiga tamaitinga America gali na necessity bona yobongo bwawo gotebererete ebitina kwanya kwebolinga what are you passionate about kwanya kwebolinga inking taite gokora muna inche nyarebe muna inche mtoto muna inche nyangena nki ayo taite gokora inche ke ukiana Nyasaye ngeto no kwano munuwe nando munuyo ndete ile faida nene sana ebi asade bilbia nengo korangu kwano munuyo munono rukunga kanira chibira omunuwe nabakondetera $1,000 a day omunuwe nabakondetera $500 a day Omuntu inabokondetere meremo omuntu in fact yongirire so many places mnoro chengo kwano muntu this is my gift buya ngana tetembo umenye gitari lakini tinji kunyara medical school some of you are doctors some of you are pharmacists some of you are engineers you are so passionate about kego collector income biba wokonya goteberera konya kugamba muswati omino kugamba mu murumino mnatali gokonya kugamba gosenga atali gokonya yani ayo goteberera tenga atali gotokonya tali gotokonya indio gocha korusi birengere ebyo ngatali gotokonya aye ochake we konya Facebook yo murochi binankonya kuoga iga mpake meki imuka gaiga the opportunities iga Facebook there is grants Facebook ikuruga iga to groups there is grants Facebook mnabone program nere na nyorete igoro Facebook kwa abantu kibese bali bakorana media banye ko bwate group neri ya baba Jackie news media self made tigaba batete empower ebi company bisinini okay ndo ayo waka grant kali na ayo kolegendo mumanye tenga there is opportunities to make money here on Facebook liba hapenya ko teba nga incha kunya ko gamba inki inga kiatebete lero nyanga kiabegete lero ngento kiagete nande goro mutaka umwana mino kunya ko gamba abantu ba mino kunya ko gamba chichi amata ba amate umwamate o agachire umwamate oirira abana ba yeskuru abantu bande bararire tamagena iga Handi chi story echo monta ocho ko story ye motari ko teina ngaki ya bana ba minto bankonyire no bochinga ntebererete iska oboliri tindi gukora mukine bitina byo kankonya gukora ebikaro bitabwati faida tari ko te umonte kira ocho ko te story ate ngumusacho yo ganchandete umungino yo ganchandete mbali ko te inga umusacho yo gosomo kungo igabwate igarelezi ebitina erekere lituko ne bitina ebitina byoka ebitina tubwati gento kugamba kere iga mukwagacha iga mosema ninanga kinyarebe nga kitogo kora aye bwana nintege to musubati nga kitokwagacha umuchi aye nga inkonyora chisimiti mnabona umontante inga yaya nintete kwagacha nga inkonyora abaga abantu bakongagachira ebintu byuko kunya gukwana kurumu nuonga ngwarara nabegete t-shirt ene ya Disney bali mwachire Disney onye nkwanye go chi Disney gendo ligiriye YouTube orare na Disney bago create magic oko bakana kibese cyao bakoro kibago create magic mbere no muntu ukita akaikaranza akarosi Disney eri abantu bagendoro yani look how beautiful this is mbere artist nere go driving tv nte no monumbwate ayenet artist ayeno bongo bwate you are funny abantu bali funny abantu bande bali bagotera aye what is your passion kwanya kwebolinga what can I do and I do well na handi bone platform yeto bwate inche nimbwate kibese nkonyora ese nkoni ebyasara byane inche ga igange omuntu ndo onsekia inche ga igange omuntu ndo ko act inche ga igange omuntu ndo ko nchianga inche ga igange omuntu ndo ko okorosi okini chingoko parade ayebono okunya gukora ibitina byuka ngabachite mbali gotokonya kende inkerenga kyobwate kero ugo so Facebook ekero go so Facebook egoli ya oninki inkyota ite gukora Facebook nkyota ite Facebook egokonya gosayo go so Facebook kwanya go browse kwanya kurama abantu bandi they are making millions. My friend is making over 100,000 inkia gukora egasi yae no ko bundisa abantu bina bago declutter the house. That is all she's doing. We karanza kurich koni utebya manto. Start with room 1, go to room 2, go to room 3. Almost what she went through a divorce and she needed something to do to raise her children. She's homeschooling her children. I can stay in her kitchen. She's making over 100,000. So you have not asked yourself, ngaki Facebook where you besides kwenye wake kerere. Opportunities chire ankonye ndos chibese no ba Kenya. Nkobori curious yeba tenga curiosity kwanya koba curious nanga ki abantu ababali Facebook faida kibabwate muma itenga Facebook yatu akanetega toira mpaka San Francisco egato bundise ko tutayibina tokora nchi group yechilinde toros chibese wanoroche nye nkoromoki angabona na nchi nkoro sindi chibese lakini mnamo ngendrete ko koromokiga no I pay my bills for Facebook tali asogo cha kwanya koraga ya roro. Ask yourself ni goal ya oninki na ndege ndo kendo bo slave ondi to kobwate ngani chisiri omuntu ago chokora mentoring program ogo tv story ya evna ya lengi wana intwa usiko chiko tv story na ya lengi chikasi ni chiko ngakira chisimi go chiyanko chiko ngakira chisimi go chiyanga watago iro mu chibongwenyi gwakorire abande nga obe ga kiobe intubona nabotoko kwa bataka igaba usinga obe mwato tangasire ebitina ngomuswati oliga kwanikira abana ba Facebook obosoko okolia ngobo muswati olibekira abana ba Facebook gakinki agokorera abana igo ogo kwomotaka ngatuta beka abana Facebook toko gole bitabo mai bitabo ebitoko goraga igatosome igitabu kirikiri igitabu yeki ngosoma bono iga this is the last igitabu mbwate ke gukwana igoro y'abantu bare negative abantu bago ko demoralize uko chiko chaka kende bago charukira ko chiko chaka kende bago charukira abahiri kwanza nabu number 1 baroche ngukwana aga Facebook nkondwera muri abana school fees nkongakanira muri nyumba nkombekera muri amagutegali ngaki amatunda yankoli ninu mukongolera abahiri abakonya kondangeri ngati yakonya gukwana Facebook don't tell your story. What happened to your story? Where is your story? Archive your story. Ayagache story yao anya koro mwana bongwenyi woso koro mwana oyole gache story yao. Keep your story. Abantu bande their stories are in books. Almost what naro mo Republican naro the other day oli getege tabu akalikege tabu ge kaira in 2 days. There was not a book left. She just became a mother. Where is she promoting her book? On Facebook. Her children will never be poor. And she's working from the house. Where did she get her following from? Facebook. Your following is your income. Have you ever asked yourself, Ngaki, how can I make money on Facebook? Abantu bali my cousins moko nyago police mwanya komanya mnanga ki stima ya ne wakanu abantu bali moko nyakondi gibitina mwanya komanya ikaria ya ne nereri abantu bali moko ndigi bitina Facebook mwanya komanya ngaki a vision ya ne kurubona 10 years from now. What do I want to do? Kwanya kweboli mwanya go chamatebe ne school fees ya bana is due next week ngakito wakana. You have never done that. I run a business on Facebook, and you know what, I'm almost Otumi eriata nga I run a successful business. Tindaiko integrity yake ego. Egetabu ikenu montoligete. I paid $15 to somebody to read this book. Ke motivate, ke mente chinguru because abantu bali bago on surround. Barabune bitina byuka batebererete. Musubati uno mochinga sana. Abantu mbaro bakonya ko dressing ando mochinga. My friend, inche no muntu mbwata abana bane nkuire college. Ntagete ngire school nche ekegoli. Anya go kunya go teberere bitina ngaba mangana ya aina mangana nyumba. There is nothing like mangana nyumba. Amangana nyumba menye kuruo okwo monto motaka emechango lyoka ligia basani very positive. Ligia basani bako ko grow bako tebi na Facebook eko konya genda chi seminar oroche Facebook ya to irite training Loroche. Ay, wende tabu kirikiri. Omukadde ng'abantu barayira. Facebook yetu irete skuru egatwaye ebitabu ga. Egatutumira ibitabu kulika notes Facebook. Gote inga koraiga. Ntole group ende Facebook toko some kumna tokora nchi group ende toros chibese. Facebook ne bwato ino muntu chagete at school obwate at school akokora online yokora chi video online yobundisa abana na bago draw art onyora chibese. Walaze. Ebitabu no birega iga okonya wesomye. Aibono oganyete penino minakole mere magutumira chibese. Ayo oganyete medio minakole mere magutumira chibese. Ayo oganyete edio minabe omo MP. Oi kamera de mumro minabe omo MP mumro minaga kobo omo MP ayobeki. Ayinkirenga kyubwate nabogo kuyigonde takomanya. Nabogo kwilita dia ondi atoka na yeno gwateka. Nabogo kutika abana bawo batabayitire gasinde yonse. Nabogo kutanya ko ira abana bawo Disney. Nabogo kukunya gosaberera. Ogosaberera is a very bad career. Is your passion ogosaberera. Ayebone gasi ya onyasaye ga gotongete enseye onya gosaberera. Your passion is begging. Akacha chi relationship chiko gotebia chibes chikuru. Iga Facebook ogoswa within 1 hour quarrels $500. Ogoswa Facebook yo quarrels ya $1,000. What are you using this platform for? Koso konya goega iga Facebook konya wake kerere. Facebook is a place of work. Aba iri balini nunta itenkwanirera mo konya kondiki inbox ngankia kokora Facebook ngango gototanga sale tatonye moya lenge anyole Facebook anga nanye begetenera abundisa abantu. My father was the greatest man that ever lived, and he documented everything. Why did he document everything? Ngikora tata aliko achibintu bya bana baye bonse bona abantu bande bamenya kondangelia abantu abaliri ngatia kwetagora naye inchempeni ayeningo elitali aoningo inchempeni legacy yanengo tigamayiga ngampeni abachukuru bane bacha go translate rwebinte bingo kwana batebi ngoyo nyokokoro ayeningo nga Donald Trump brother dies. Uhuru's sister what? Gladys is somebody what? Ayo litali aondi did everything na. Nabantu bali tuachite ngatokonya abantu bamintu tokonya abantu bamintu bono ba nabuba gukurwani kabisa nabuba gocha bakoligire bakaitenga nabwo gamba chi video kokora na incha ko gamba tali ya to gamba kero korre bintu Facebook tali ya to gamba ebintu ebikire nyumba batenge kede nyumba ne bwataki kede nyumba mechimo burubona family te yetabu ativitina kere family ne bwate bitina igekera nko kwa ne story gaiga tokanga naye ndoche tinkorochi orocho musubati ogendo ngainaba ebyombe byote ebyabantu ngumusacha ankoleta iga ani musubati oli garame musacha abasubati bali batenga yeto change gaki igombo besana baguchangira litukelimo lakini ubuguma bwa lifetime abana bagucha gokine emechange yebyombe neche gokineri abana amachuma kwagenda kwagamba mukao nga mukane galiga umuntu kwa advice yalisi mukunywa maru abandi ba advice gotindete kwamenya gocha gwachaka gokogo imokao kwa mukogo kwa musigiki abantu bayisiko bago advice ngaki abantu bayisiko bakuru isiko bachagonte binankomenya no musachone nche tenere ekero ubwate bitina obongo bwa buri so occupied nebitina. That is why abantu banga bataka igo batebirede tebitina abantu bebitina babwate chibese nabakesana gose bachagite byasara biga pick ebitina bigo kubiko butaka imebaligereri atanya gototomera kende atanya gotokolera kende ebitina occupied obongo bwa nebitina. Facebook has given you time 24 hours oros chibese ga on Facebook. But you are so busy kwenye koteba nga peningi yako kora nga kipeni aliga injenieri isa sekurusi umosubati wongo nyikurunyando uchevere. This is my passion. No over my sister, no over my mother, no over my cousin. You're not going to stop my drive. You're not going to tomanye TV into begin retaiska. You know na you kaiting on Facebook ne yuko nyago post. Yeah, I'm at work. Moka I'm just on Facebook. No. Abo korosa, I'm at work. Gilbert, in a mere monde, this is I'm creating an income so I can feed my children. Tokanga Facebook abantu bagocha gaiga banya gwakekerere banya go comment. No. Do something that can grow you. When you see somebody doing something, somebody is a doctor, somebody is a surgeon. Inch I don't like to cook, but you know I learned korosia mandasi. A mandasi in korosi tray is $40. $40 yelinchi invest Kenya is good money. Find your passion. Iba okonya goteberera kongamba, iba okonya goteberera kuomana, iba okonya goteberera mangana abandi sko gaiga manga nyalebe. Keye bitina. Keye bitina we agache. Na andekero kwacha kire kwe agacha. Ogo cha kwanyora bono gori very busy. Tubwati nso okonya kugambira bitina. Na andi tigamba tebine inchepeni. By the time ngoso abolere. Toronchi anya kombora. There is no one day chitorochi anya kombora. I'm very active. In fact, no imbo no gonde delay dia si passion yane. Onye ngaini ya mapema. Lakini anna abana na tete nga tigangire ngoranda akini abana. Onye nchaka mapema no munoyone. And angatindi go clock in and out. Omonoyone is a gift I have. Omonoyone ngi mno montare doctor. Omonoyone ngi mno chef. Omonoyone ngi mno engineer. Chi engineer chiro chita kwani kendi gyonse lakini abachigo so computer chia colleague. What are you passionate about? Turn your passion into money. Kogamba, you cannot be passionate about gossip. Gossip cannot pay your bills. Yange yoro chombegete ochake kongamba yore yange inchiete Disney ngaka na Disney nkaegwa naona lingi Disney nkora chita yanga pa. It is a goal. I wanted to take my children to Disney. Kuruna lingo musini ninkunya kwa winga America. I wanted to come to America. I'm here. I wanted a car. I'm here. Ondete yokonga bintebi busa. Ondete ako kwa bintu busa. Lakini bono oteberete bitina bya bana bamino, oteberete bitina bya bamate, oteberete bitina bya social media. Ayago ko log in social media to my thing there is an income to be made. That is why naba taking group I'm coming hard. I'm not going to allow abantu balete politics tiga politicians baros chi group chiabo chia politics. Passion yane no konya abana, passion yane no ko be motivational speaker, passion yane no ko kore life coach, passion yane no ko mentor young boys, young families, walimo chakachi family. That's what I'm passionate about. When I see Gladys Ogoti coming here talking about family life, my heart is warmed. Ekeronko rabantu babu mnabono mavuno SD church is going on. Abago chagaga bacha kogamba kukwana yoreringa na Nyasaye. My heart is warmed. Lakini mo basa ko todetera selfish politicians ekero ogo cha gukwa ogo cha koigunga nanizu tuhu. Matiang mumuru mwabo matiangi elieta liaoli liachire abantu aba they are here trying to nyonya us barabaro sia malieta abo into malieta aitakwe nandi nabatebeti young people bali mu chikoso chikura bona iga. Make sure you don't die. Omuntu oli okuminyokera gali ruto gatigete chibese mpaka ebichembe ne bita benchara. Make sure na mu chokominyokani arama andamana alibo songo na watigire legacy behind. Don't die for politicians. Anybody who is wise, do not die for politicians. They will never die for you. They never remember you. They are building a legacy for their children. America, 11 to 7. Politician with scholarship Kenya. They didn't have to work. Because one barabu, scholarship, every month. Those are very selfish people. They have built their name. Aye, what about your name? What about your children? What memories are you creating for your children? How are your children going to remember you? Abana baba wacho komenyanga tataga lingi yakonya go chat chisimya konya go cheat na baswati okonya go chat abayisike babandu umongino ndakineti amachuma bano kwanya rumuswati okonya go chat uno mwisike bwo monto taitoli egento umuswati oyiga kineti kunangina ayengo go kini na ise ayengo go kineli abana bawo. You're so busy running around. You're so busy cheating. Invest in your children. Invest in yourself. Take lessons. Educate yourself. Grab a book. Occupy yourself. Tiko nyago tibirire bitina konya kogamba abantu nga nyalebe. Nandi balimo konya koliya bayiri bane. Don't waste time with them because they are not penny. Nandi nga chinga nyomu bokamba bone litali anelire penny ongwenyi mbane. Orochi malieta itabuye kaini nongwenyi indi begeta akomanyanga no mugusinde. Malieta itabuye kaini. Tika konya koliya bayiri bane konya koba chi headache. They need to do their own things. Tiga kunya ochanda abantu ng'abandi bakuriye umusacho niti umusacho ne gakuruku Abraham Mwangangi ombane tiga kunya kumuriye nabwate goals and dreams chiaye tiga ko disturb abantu babwate goals and dreams igoro y'omuntu ndo gukora ibintu byaye kero nasoire bulere ndaire nkorara alarm egontura 6 in the morning. I wake up natebanga nyasambi ya mona another day talinga nganga nande ndengereti nga inkidoka za tebete inkiyemi atebete inkinyaleba atebete. I don't have time for that. I want to leave a legacy for my children, so when I'm long gone, my grandchildren can say, this is mama, this is grandma from Nyando Cheivere, this is grandma that went to school bare feet, this is grandma olego tole chai. I have to tell that story. It just did not happen. When you go tell your story, when you go to secrets, focus on your own secrets. When you go to bitina, focus on your own bitina. Inje timbu ati time and air kugambe bitina. Na ande ekera nkoba encourage igoro yenyumo because ninde buone nimbu atabana. Nyumo tali yane. Inje no montonde buone na abana bane. Ekera nkoba tayinanga ki work it out. Ama sase work it out. Try to work with your husband. Try to work with your wife. We have worked it. We are trying. Omokaitenga into toka keroche. Into keroche we are struggling. But we encourage you ngaki work together. Ebinte bya social media abantu bakonya kobangaina chinbox bantu bali ba social media mbako chago konyekera bana bawo chago gusinya ekero kugambia bana bawo igoro echi anti chiabo kwagambia bana bawo igoro yaise kwagambia bana bawo igoro yaba echi yanko chiabo bana bekero ka bawo chakuganya umuntu abakwanire liri batali babeira banene ngora abakonyora abanga ngwakulero abana babairi bachikomenya mwanyina moke bose bachikomenya musubati yomino mbabe moyo. Because bono kwa ruani ya bana ba mino kwa ruani ya abayiri bao onite ya yoko iwana nere ebitina byuka na byote berete teganywa amachi tingireka ndabase ko gireka ntara ba rich na ndo maite ganta gitako ba rich. I'm going to be very rich tiganywa amachi tingakanze abantu amubwate bitina mo focus umukaite I just come here to make noise. I don't just come here to make noise. I have things. Facebook is a place of work. I have things to do. I have goals. No, there are opportunities on Facebook. You need to find them. In fact, you're gonna slow down. We can slow down. This is where you make the money. Abantu bande tuibure nturi kukumina bona ene chianga na bokurusyo tale bosa ntubwe kaini abantu bande na mutogamba bwire bona lituigwete biyanga kiwete bakongamba isika abantu bande kero tokogamba bona lituigwete biya abantu bali bakogamba babe inchekero ngambire bona nkumeti nywete ngandoche ninkeroche because ekero mukonya kongamba that means ninkeroche ngakyura atige byasara bya uchikogamba pen yokonywa match Facebook nebinto byanengo kora Facebook nendagera nkonya koragera nebinto ngo byansara byane igo nde very important to basa kongambo kaye ngabono wankiriye mocho ya penite gokwa nimbwate bintu ntete kwa accomplish ntararwense igo to basa ko koranga ngabono teto mugambo ngomo gose abantu bali no bagamba mbali ko gambeka abantu bali no ba stop to ko ba stop abantu bali nga no bateba nga bara maraya bona letenga umetekero mune nchokero kondo kaliraya. That means umeteliraya obwate nyongengia lirayo bwato korobero kaya lirayo bwato muberomi yabantu rende bagwanche liraya is a compliment wanekero kondo kaliraya. That means liraya is presentable. Liraya tali muntu to kogora muswatyo tali korekana presentable. So ikero kondo kaliraya na bura kayenga wata kongechi inje to kongechi na kwandukire liraya. I have a fruit, yes. Think over Rundara. Think over Rundara. That means you only a second. That means you know Coronecan. Bantum Belco Maraya Tali Kin. A Maraya Gali Kin. You got a quarter Lisa say. To no. Tigabako Gambe because in Baba at Kendeba. Because they are idol. I want to focus on you, Ramalaya. Well, no any chabrich, you know, Turcoros, Conyarosia, no Yana Mautako, you tell Kuyaka, When you could hear is gone, no Chedi indicate. umusubati onde story yo mwene tete umusubati onde igoro gante betinga Penny sabira babisa ba njoma itetima nanya go sabira babisa anyway namukane tina tingo sabira babisa lakini abantu ebigenteka sabira babisa bao elinde bamenya amatuka amange barore nanga kyugo chikoba bosio okay etopi point yinga nyanja sana sabira babisa bao mba kubwangu baike korora mnubo gimbo bagenderete baike koranga abana bali bao batagete banywa malyogo mbali kunywa malyogo baike koranga umusacho oli gwatagete bago divorce tarago divorce baike koranga ubutachiri boli bakaite ngatoko batachiri kwa beire tachiri baike koranga Penny na chitaga akaba self employed squeeze na taligo clock out indwe testimony tiganya saya aba amatuka mange na abo mwana mino okwangete na aba abayibuli babo bakwangete na aba bakoliye meremo umusubati uyo gari mu kalenjini igante betinga Penny nanya kolenge linka inje nkoranga babisabane tiga baturungane kuno no rusana in fact nimbarara tinko ba konya lakini mononta itinchake kokonya abande mbaronta gete bara bamenye barorengo tigemeremo bamenye ngana kisenga tigemeremo konye nkorenga tiga baturungane nko unyene gali mbwate ngo etaba because I don't care about you muntu okunra lakini ate tinga yaya sabira babisa bawo bamenya amatuka mange nali bararore kinyasaya go gokorera because ayitubwati babisa ayitubwati ondo tayite nga igento getale ko mobera no ayembu yole bona barabu tibakole bitina kabisa lakini tebi nyasaya aba amatuka mange mama nagantebiri lakini nanya wanja ngo sabira abantu bago cyandete no aho tenga tiganya saba amatuka mange bakini abana barara abana babo tiganya saba aba amatuka mange barengo yo mpeni yoli twali kora ama Facebook barengo yo mpeni yoli bakogota no mugako ya twatageta divorce gwe barengo yo mpeni yoli minto twatageta abana baye banywa maliyogo bana baye bange school abantu bali bago gusabira ebintu ebibe muswato yante tinga basabere bamenya amatuka mange okay ready no wale ko New Jersey abayiri bane mbali gaiga abantu mbali nguche konya kumira nandi mumete Facebook yankonyire sana in fact squeeze mbwate doctor mbwate lawyer mbwate accountant inchekene nkeyo ntabwati anything intageta I just text nanyora my life is very easy no taroshi Facebook you are connected tiangende because ababisa bane mbara bande mirimo yenta itegutika bakonya koligeri ngansanga piacha ngamolike mocheki bona mbaroro bambegete macho mbapimete sana nimba pimete igo minto tikonya go focus yoni abantu ababakonya okogamba tikaba kugambe because mbabu atikende bagokora nye nabantu bamino baligirira bakwani bwakire bwirire ekera abantu bare idol nali bateberere tebitina yasawo yo